Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Organic Betty, and please click that like and that subscribe button to join me and my tribe where we do all things DIY. So today I'm back with a video on DIY beauty. Yay! So for those of you who don't know, I also have my own organic skincare company, and I formulate my own products and I sell on my website, Lola & Co Organics. Okay, check it out. So I also started learning how to formulate through YouTube. Obviously, like how to make lip balms, how to make your own body butters, stuff like that. So I thought I should include this for those who also who have questions on skincare and how to make a few products at home before you can maybe decide if this is the path you want to take. So today I am back with a video where we are going to be doing a body scrub. I love body scrubs. Body scrubs are great for exfoliating your skin, removing dead skin cells. That way, you can renew more of your cells and you have a smooth and silky skin. And anyone can use a scrub, whether you're a guy or a girl. I mean, we all have skin. So if you feel like you want to brighten it up, make it more smooth, a scrub is good for you. So try use it once or twice, even more. Okay, I use a lot. You can try use it as often as you want on your body, though, not on your face, because your face is more easy to tan, scar, so sugar is not a great way to exfoliate. I think clay is more easy on the skin on your face, so try clay masks. The scrub that I'm going to be making for you guys today, it has marula oil, grapeseed oil, sugar, vitamin E, some essential oil. So anyone can make this at home, and you can get some of these ingredients at Discam or online. And you can buy your jars also online, or you can go at stores and buy just a simple console jar. So without talking too much, you guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoy it, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video if you can. And I will see you guys on my next DIY video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great one. Bye.